Sri Amandeep ji and Sri BVK Raju garu and Sri Deep Preet Bindra and Srimati Megha. Namaskaram andariki, namaste. And a very good afternoon to all the distinguished guests, the talented golfers, the organizers and the media. My congratulations to all the winners in this tournament in different categories. It is a moment of immense pride and pleasure to be here at the 11th edition of the Telangana Golconda Masters. To all our participating golfers from India and abroad, I extend a heartfelt welcome. You have graced us with your presence, and for the last 4 days, you have showed your incredible talent right here against the magnificent backdrop of the Golconda Fort. Seeing this passion, the precision and the perseverance of each one of you reminds me of a famous dialogue from a Hindi film. Picture अभी बाकी है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. मेरे दोस्त, the tournament might be over, but the journey of golf in Telangana has just begun. There is a lot to be seen in future. Telangana is not just about the hustle and bustle of a modern metropolis like Hyderabad. It is a land of rich heritage and breathtaking natural beauty. From the serene lakes that shimmer under the sun to the dense forests of the Kawal and Amrabad tiger forests, and from the majestic flow of the Godavari and Krishna rivers in the grandeur of our ancient places and forts, every corner of Telangana tells a story. The Golconda Fort, which stands as a silent spectator and to this tournament, is a testament to our glorious past. This tournament is not just a sporting event, it is a bridge connecting the world of golf to the heart of Telangana. The Hyderabad Golf Association, with its world-class course, is providing to be a perfect destination for golf tourism. This course, set amidst such a historic and scenic landscape, is truly unique. It is a blend of heritage and sport, offering a experience that no other golf course can match. The fact that this tournament carries official world golf ranking points and attracts international players reinforces our immense potential to become a global hub for golf tourism. We are committed to developing more such facilities and promoting Telangana as the premier destination for golfers from all over the world. ये टूरिज्म का सफ़र लंबा है, लेकिन मज़ेदार भी है. I think most of the people मज़ेदार भी है. For me also, is a wonderful day today, and we are just getting started. I am very happy to share with you all that tomorrow we are organizing a grand tourism conclave here in Hyderabad, Telangana. This conclave is designed to attract thousands of crores of rupees in investment and to forge new partnerships that will elevate our tourism sector to new heights. We want to show the world that Telangana is ready to welcome tourists with open arms and with an experience they will never forget. And presently Telangana we are celebrating the biggest floral festival, that is Bathukamma, which is an unique one, which has got 200 years old history. And I request you all to explore the most colorful festival of Telangana And I request you all to join tomorrow in celebrating our Batukama also. And all my request to all the other dignitaries who are here from abroad and different parts of the state, stay back for 2-3 days more and enjoy not only golf and enjoy our cuisine and the Telangana culture also. I thank the PGTI, the Hyderabad Golf Association and all other partners for their continuous support. Your belief in Telangana's potential is a huge source of encouragement. To all the participants, thank you for making this event a grand success, and we hope you take back not just the memories of a great game, but also the warmth and hospitality of Telangana. I thank you one and all, and also Telangana Zarur Aana, Aate Rehna, Aate Rehna, Zarur Aana. Thank you very much.